Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to make a very simple yet a very beautiful summer dress, and for that you do not require a very complicated pattern. So let's get started. Okay, let's start with the measurements. So for the first measurement you will measure around the bust. For me it is 32 inches and I am going to multiply 32 inches with 1.5, which will be equal to 48. Multiplying with 1.5 because on the shirring the fabric will shrink, so we need extra inches on the width. And for the length I'll put my tape like this and I'll measure till the point I like. So in my case it is 42 inches. So I got my first measurement, that is 48 inches width and 42 inches in length. So it will create a pattern of rectangular fabric. For the strap measurement, I am measuring from the shoulder till my upper bust point, from where I would like my strap to start. In my case it is 6.5 inches. On double it will become 13 and I'll add 1 inch for the allowance, so in total it will become 14 inches in length, and I want 1 inch for the width. So I will create two rectangular pieces for the strap. This is how it looks. So now we can start cutting out the fabric out of this pattern. So I'm using this fabric for the project today. This is 100% cotton. So on this side there is no embroidery, it's just plain. So I'll try to cut out the strap pattern from this plain area, not from the embroidered area. I've got all my 3 rectangles cut. So this one is the biggest one. I have 2 smaller ones, these. Bigger rectangular piece needs to be hemmed from all the 4 sides. From the top, mark 6 inches, which is enough to cover my bust area, and I'm drawing parallel lines which are 0.5 inches apart from each other. This will act as a guideline to stitch in a straight line and the shirring will look neat. I have a very thin elastic thread which came like this, and I am taking this empty bobbin. So we have to hand thread it. So once you have filled your bobbin with the elastic thread, now put in the bobbin case. Okay, one more thing, you need to loosen this a little bit like this, so that this thread moves freely. Now put this like you do usually, and on the top take a regular thread and do your usual thing. And now you can start sewing. For shirring you need to bring your tension of a sewing machine to around 5-6 or more than 6. Basically you have to keep it maximum. So for me it works better if I keep it somewhere between 5 or 6, mostly near to 6. And second setting you have to do is from the length. So put this into the maximum length. So for me here it is 4. So it works better for me if I keep my length at 4. I'm starting from the bottom part. I just completed the first row and this is how it's looking right now. On second row onwards you have to stretch the fabric and keep it as flat as you can. The shirring part is completed and this is how it's looking right now. So let's move on to next step. You can lay flat your dress and fold it from the wrong sides. Join both the ends and start stitching, leaving some space at the bottom so you can walk freely. For straps, fold it equally from both sides and then fold it one more time and start stitching. For the strap placement, I'm wearing the dress and marking exactly where I want to attach my straps, or just skip the strap part. That's it for the today's video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you the next time. And if you have any suggestion, put it in the comment section below. Bye bye.